If you deny you know me on earth, are you going to deny you know me in heaven? When on 1/7/2011, I applied for Martin Luther King's job. I gave this information to Greg Bernstein at the Martin Luther King Day Parade. All right? To dismantle a master's house, you got to use the master's tools. Racism don't work without black cooperation. When Martin Luther King was locked up in Birmingham, Alabama, he wrote letters from a Birmingham jail. Well, I took what Martin Luther King did in the 60s, and I reinvented it in the 2021. That's Boyce, that's Ferguson, that's Antonio Hayes. You go to Senator Antonio Hayes and get my book, I Am Dred Scott. That's Nick Mosby, Marilyn Mosby. 2014, y'all ran for office. I was running for lieutenant governor. We're going to take all that information and give it to the voters. Mary Washington, like I said, 8 gigs. Made a movie about y'all, and I got it all on disc. Social media for social change. That's Al Redmer. I was insured for $1 million. The state of Maryland got to pay that policy off. Miss Stephanie Rawlins Blake know about this. Dixon know about this. It's about the corruption since Gov.O'Malley was Mayor O'Malley since 2006. It covers 2 states, Illinois and Maryland, because I was about ending the war on drugs. If you deny you know me on earth, are you going to deny you know me in heaven? Well, we're not going to wait that long. Because Eric Barron, I want to testify in front of a federal and a state grand jury. Mary Washington, I want to testify in Annapolis in 2022 when you open a session. I want to testify in front of you and let you release that information to the voters. I'm running for office. I'm not going to just run my mouth. Like I said, I applied for his job. These are false charges that the state put on me. They permitted false charges. They permitted perjury. The state permitted this. I want the state prosecutor to prosecute Scott Shellenberger. It's the Get Shorty program. That's Vicki Lawrence. That's Sam Cassels. And that's Governor Hogan. That's a visitor's pass to the States Attorney's Office in 2014. All right? I blew the whistle on y'all. Now I finished what I started. That's Greg Bernstein. All right? State's Attorney's Office. To testify in front of a federal grand jury to discuss the charges against Governor O'Malley and the corruption in the courts concerning your prison industry. I also request the Witness Protection Program, Governor O'Malley, October 2010. I recorded the phone call to the FBI and the Internal Affairs. That's Scott Shellenberger, Moxley. That's the state prosecutor and Chief Hyatt. That's President Trump. That's County Executive Johnny Oleski. And that's Head State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby. I'm making a movie. That's the I-Team, Jane Miller. That's President Obama. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's Governor Hogan. That's Mayor Pugh. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Like I said, I'm making a movie. And the movie got everything involved. This is Karen York. See the date? That's Karen York. That's Nicole Mundo. That's Christopher Irving. You know what I'm saying? And that's Justin Fenton. Because we're going to show FCC violations by your media in Baltimore. The Baltimore Sun, ABC2, WJZ, WBAL. Yeah, the Towson Patch. Y'all normally lied to the public and called me a terrorist. I'm an activist. That's a motion to squash this protection order, all right? Witness, Governor O'Malley, former Governor Bob Ehrlich, Controller Peter Francott, State Attorney Shellenberger, Sheriff Fisher, Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Court of Appeals Judge Bell, County Sheriff Duvall, all right? State's Attorney Malcolm Ruff, all right? That's Malcolm Ruff. See that? He was the state's attorney then, and Malcolm Ruff know all about this. So Malcolm Ruff is going to be my witness. I'm a whistleblower. That's Jake Davis, Patricia Cook, James Hammond, Karen Parks from Fox 45, Scott Shellenberger, Peter Francott. Yeah, I was making a movie about the Democratic Party and the money you make off black bodies. See Malcolm Ruff, Frank Conway, Pollard Towan, Special Agent Richard McFeely, the FBI, Barry Sims, Senator Cardins, Shelton DeWintes. Yeah, Fred Billfield, Mary Pat Clark, Jack Young, Bill Henry, Carl Stokes, Senator Broshin, Senator Pugh, Judge Pearson, Judge Bell. Nathaniel McFadden, Mikulski, Eric Holder, Congressional Rupersberger. All right, I was making a movie, and the movie ain't done yet. That's President Biden. Y'all had me removed from your town hall. That's President Biden. And that's Kwaisi and Fume. You said talk to you. Well, we gonna talk. Do not destroy this evidence, Kwaisi. You go to Kwaisi and Fume's office right now and get all my paperwork from Congressman Cummings. Kwaisi and Fume's been shielding this. Like I said, this is about Governor O'Malley. See the date? That's 2000 what? That's my store on Falls Road. I still got the sign. That's ABC2. And I gave this to ABC2. It's the Dred Scott decision of 2010. All right? Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? ABC2 works for Governor O'Malley and been protecting them. All right? These are the forged checks that the state approved, that the state accepted. That's not my signature. That's not my signature. That's not my signature. This is the Constitution, the First Amendment. Congress shall make no laws, all right, an establishment of religion prohibiting the freedom to exercise, therefore abridging the freedom of speech, the freedom of press, and the right of people to peaceably assemble and petition the government to redress grievances. That's my First Amendment right. And I want to audit. My First Amendment right is my right to property. That's the IRS. I need a federal and state audit. I'm out $3.7 million in lost wages. The contents of my vehicle is worth $130 million. That's Eric Holder of the Department of Justice. That's States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. See the date? June 30th, 2021. Mosby. States Attorney's Office. Dwayne G. Davis. You see that? States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. She got that. That's Governor Hogan. He got that. That's Governor Hogan. He got that. That's Judge Mary Barbaro. All right? She got that. She got that. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. They got that. And Delegate Sheila Roof is on my side. She will testify to the material that she had. Delegate Sheila Roof will testify against the corruption in the Democratic Party. She's going to testify against you. We talking about race and racism. And racism don't work without black cooperation. Y'all want to protect Mr. Miller? Well, that's the Public Justice Center. That's Brian Frost, 2016. He got this. All right? That's President Obama. That's President Biden. That's President Trump. And that shows you that President Biden got it. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And that's the tapes. That's Ronald Davis of the Department of Justice. And these are my criminal charges. 1402 Lochner. Scott Shellenberger, February the 7th, 2011. I was kidnapped. The defendant is Scott Shellenberger. And these are my witnesses. Like I said, I'm making a movie, and it's all in the book. Julian Jones, council member. You got that? Department of Justice. She's got that. Doug Colbert from the Maryland University of the Maryland Law School. He got that. Council meeting. Shellenberger issue. All right? This video is what I showed the jury about freedom. I'm a whistleblower. And there's proof. Scott Shellenberger locked up a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower. That's 2009. That's President Obama. All right? That's President Obama. And that's the mail receipt to President Obama. 2009, Barack Obama. President Obama. Okay? 2009, motion for a public hearing. 1402 Lochner. I've been denied access to the court. Judge Holland. All right? Judge Holland. I've been denied access to the court. That's Doug Colbert, School of Law, Maryland School of Law. We talking about judges, Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souter. We talking about thousands of cases to be reversed and remanded. All material and legal material submitted to the judges. And the state's attorney received that. All right. That's the White Pettit. The White Pettit, Warren Brown, J. Wendell Gordon, Billy Murphy, Malcolm Ruff. Y'all know all about this. That's my Department of ID number. Department of Justice ID number. Like I said, since 2014. It's 2021. You feel me? It's making a movie about the Democratic Party. Yeah. Right here. Release all material to the voters. That's Governor O'Malley. Y'all stole that. But I got this. 98 Rock, ABC2, 92Q. Shorty, pull your mask up. No, we're going to have a town hall about corruption. Corruption in the Democratic Party. All right? See that? Chicago. Roland Martin. Yeah. WVON AM 1690. I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Because it's what I do. Now, if the Root can call me whatever you want to call me. But at the end of the day, the violence in America is behind the war on drugs. You want to stop the violence and the killing? In the war on drugs. That's your prison industry. 2011. That's my number. All right? I'm a whistleblower. And I want whistleblower status. I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the corruption in the courts. That's Linda Dodge from Parole and Probation. That's Mr. McGee. He took a $40,000 payoff to fix a case. Yeah, Judge Phillips and his lawyer, Judge Phillips, took a $40,000 payoff to fix a case. All right? Raskin know about it. See who know about it? Insurance Incorporated, insurance fraud. Yeah. I was making a movie, Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary. Shorty documentary. See that? Judge Foreman, 18 North County Street, Waukegan, Illinois. Shorty documentary. So, Kwaisi and Fume, you got a job to do. You said you was going to talk to me. I'm a whistleblower. Brian Frost, you got evidence and knowledge of criminal activity in the Democratic Party. You got to act on that. I need a federal and a state audit. A federal and a state audit. Before you retire, you're in the appropriations committee. So you got to do your job. Everything that you got to turn over. Everything that you know, you got to tell. We holding the courts accountable. We holding the courts accountable. And you got to get that information. It's received.